Today, my topic for the presentation is Concept and Scope of Sociology of Education and Educational Sociology. Dear viewers, please watch the entire video. The video will be followed by MCQs based on the presentation. Let us first try to understand. Concept of Sociology of Education. Sociology of education is a branch of sociology that examines how educational institutions, practices, and experiences are influenced by society and vice versa. It focuses on understanding the relationship between education and social structures, cultural norms, values, and socialization processes. Key aspects include how education transmits cultural values and norms, how social stratification and inequality influence access to education, the role of education in shaping individual identity and social behavior. Scope of Sociology of Education. 1. Education and Social Structures examines the relationship between education and institutions like family, economy, and religion. Studies the influence of social class, caste, gender, and ethnicity on educational opportunities. 2. Social functions of education. Education as a tool for social mobility and status enhancement. It acts as an agent of social control by reinforcing societal norms. 3. Education and social change explores how education contributes to modernization, democratization, and cultural transformation. 4. Educational policies and inequalities investigates how policies impact access to education for marginalized groups. Analyzes the role of education in perpetuating or reducing social inequalities. 5. Teacher-student dynamics studies the interaction between teachers and students. Focuses on classroom dynamics, role expectations, and teacher bias. 6. Curriculum and culture analyzes how curricula reflect and shape societal values. Studies the hidden curriculum and its impact on students. Concept of Educational Sociology. Educational sociology emerged as a discipline to explore how sociological principles can be applied to solve educational issues. It emphasizes the practical aspects of sociology within educational systems, aiming to improve teaching methods, curriculum development, and student-teacher relationships. Key features focus on applying sociological insights to educational problems. Examines the role of education in societal progress. Analyzes the impact of education on socialization and community development. Scope of Educational Sociology. 1. Role in curriculum development helps design curricula that align with societal needs and cultural values. 2. Improving teaching methods guides educators in adopting strategies that promote inclusivity and engagement. 3. Understanding student behavior offers insights into student behavior based on cultural and societal backgrounds. 4. Community and education strengthens the relationship between schools and the community. 5. Policy formulation assists policymakers in designing education systems that promote equity and social justice. Key differences between sociology of education and educational sociology. The terms sociology of education and educational sociology are often used interchangeably, but they represent distinct fields with different focuses and objectives. Here is a detailed exploration of the two concepts, highlighting their differences in terms of nature, scope, objectives, and approaches. Aspect: Sociology of education, educational sociology, nature, a branch of sociology that studies education in society. An applied branch of sociology focusing on education. Objective: to understand the role of education in societal processes. To address educational challenges using sociological tools. Focus: broader, analyzing education as a social institution. narrower, emphasizing teaching and learning processes. Scope includes the relationship between education and social structures, policies, and cultural norms. Limited to classroom dynamics, curriculum, and pedagogy. Approach theoretical and research oriented. Practical and solution oriented. Field of study society's impact on education and vice versa. Applying sociology to improve education systems. Examples of study areas social inequalities, educational policies, and mobility. Student behavior, teacher student dynamics, and curricula. Orientation, macro level, societal perspective. Micro level, classroom and school perspective. Educational implications, sociology of education helps policymakers understand how societal factors influence education. Guides the formulation of policies to promote equity and access to quality education. Analyzes systemic issues like gender inequality, cultural biases, and economic disparities in education. Educational sociology enhances teaching methods and classroom management strategies. Encourages the integration of community values into educational practices. Helps educators address the diverse needs of students effectively. Dear viewers, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. 1. Who is considered the father of sociology? A. Karl Marx. B. Émile Durkheim. C. Auguste Comte. D. Max Weber. Answer: C. Auguste Comte. 2. What does the hidden curriculum refer to? A. Official curriculum taught in schools. B. Unintended lessons learned through schooling. C. Curriculum for advanced learners. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Unintended lessons learned through schooling. 3. Which sociologist introduced the concept of cultural capital? A. Émile Durkheim. B. Pierre Bourdieu. C. Talcott Parsons. D. Max Weber. Answer: B. Pierre Bourdieu. 4. What is the primary focus of sociology of education? A. Psychological development of students. B. The relationship between education and society. C. Technical advancements in education. D. Curriculum design. Answer: B. The relationship between education and society. 5. Which of the following is a function of education? A. Socialization. B. Economic development. C. Political stability. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 6. Educational sociology primarily focuses on A. Solving theoretical issues in sociology. B. Applying sociological insights to education. C. Political issues in education. D. Psychological aspects of education. Answer: B. Applying sociological insights to education. 7. Which term refers to the social expectations of roles played by teachers and students? A. Hidden curriculum. B. Role set. C. Status symbol. D. Cultural lag. Answer: B. Role set. 8. What is a latent function of education? A. Skill development. B. Social networking. C. Imparting knowledge. D. Professional training. Answer: B. Social networking. 9. Who wrote Education and Sociology? A. John Dewey. B. Émile Durkheim. C. Pierre Bourdieu. D. Talcott Parsons. Answer: B. Émile Durkheim. 10. What does meritocracy in education imply? A. Equal opportunities for all. B. Achievement based on ability and effort. C. Preferential treatment for marginalized groups. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Achievement based on ability and effort. 11. The term social reproduction is associated with A. Durkheim, B. Marx, C. Bourdieu, D. Weber. Answer C. Bourdieu. 12. Conflict theory in education highlights A. Cooperation among students, B. Inequalities in educational systems, C. Role of teachers in social development, D. Positive outcomes of schooling. Answer B. Inequalities in educational systems. 13. The idea of universal education is rooted in A. Functionalism, B. Conflict theory, C. Symbolic interactionism, D. None of the above. Answer A. Functionalism. 14. The concept of educational capital includes A. Wealth accumulated through education, B. Skills and knowledge gained through education, C. Social networks formed in schools, D. None of the above. Answer B. Skills and knowledge gained through education. 15. Which theory suggests that education serves as a tool for maintaining power structures? A. Symbolic interactionism, B. Functionalism, C. Conflict theory, D. Structuralism. Answer C. Conflict theory. 16. What is the manifest function of education? A. Social control, B. Vocational training, C. Cultural transmission, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 17. In educational sociology, social capital is defined as A. Financial resources available to schools, B. Relationships and networks that facilitate success, C. Government investment in education, D. None of the above. Answer B. Relationships and networks that facilitate success. 18. What does symbolic interactionism focus on in education? A. Structural inequalities, B. Classroom interactions and meanings, C. Role of policies in education, D. Global trends in education. Answer B. Classroom interactions and meanings. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.